You are Kanpeki.
Huh?
Yes.
What's Kanpeki?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh. Yeah, Kanpeki. You are Kanpeki.
Good morning. I woke up at 7, but then I fell back asleep.
Set aside of the worries in my life. Be happy. Bob Marley chilling in the backseat. We rock parties, sipping a bit of Jack Sweet. Rock parties, yeah, we raps backstreet. From so far to drive and go south for days, trying to find a way to say that I've been alright.
Oh my god!
Everyone just watching me shoot this guy mid. And then after I died, they just rotated to the other.
Don't peek. Don't peek. Don't peek.
Oh, I have to, bro.
敵残り1名
Let's go. Kill his ass.
Oh my god.
Yeah, you got a pistol, bro. Shoot his ass. There's another gun right in front of you.
Oh
Let's go.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
3人目。
逃げても無駄
スパイク設置。
残り1
4
名
人目だ。
$7 more for the
ショ
second
ーは
thing.
楽しめたかな。
What is he doing?
A でキャリアダウン
仲間は死なせない。
What the?
A でキャリア
What
ダ
is
ウ
he
ン
doing?
He's out. By the way, he's on top of you.
Yeah, I've been alright. I've been good, I've been great. I've been making my mistakes. Mama hate that I'm away. I'm the odd one, I'm the soft one. I like ginger marmalade. Live with love but hide away. Pick apart my mind for days. I admit, man, I've been strange. Ay, self-inflicted, I'm the victim. I've been sitting, playing, wishing for a better day. A better day. Self-inflicted, I'm the victim.
Good morning. I did not wake up early because today is a Saturday, but I will try to wake up early on Monday. I'm doing my makeup. I put foundation, it has sunscreen, and then did my egg yosal.
Ah! Ah! Remember the peanut butter baby?
Ah! You get to sit with the dog hair. What the fuck is What the fuck is this?
That's Hottie's hair.
Holy shit, I could make a new fucking dog with
Yeah, make one.
Old fella still a killer, tell me what I can't chase next, and I will name more hobbies till they all love me. Never enough for me, told puppy. I'll be like this till I fall proper, yeah. Lime squeezing my coat.
Like 420, see?
So what's left? Put one foot now, step in front of the other one, breath. Ready or not, I reset. I've been good, I've been great, I've been making my mistakes. Mama hate that I'm away. I'm the odd one, I'm the soft one. I like ginger mama.
Do you think I just doxed myself?
Maybe.
Oh my god, you're so pretty. Oh my. Hey, Christine. Oh, I just doxed myself. I'll just have to blur the background. Oops.
On the couch, but like, is there even room? The couch is full. It's full.
부당이나
Oh my god, that's Christopher Yee?
You don't care for me, baby. I don't know why I'm so
I got my nails filled.
went too far, but you went around and played with my heart. Oh, please, why would you do that to me? I'm feeling nervous, nervous. Did you do this on purpose? Purpose? How could you love me for all this time? Then one night just change your mind.
Hello.
Then by the morning you don't feel the same way. Now you just wanna hold, you wanna go play with her. I'm lost for words. I did you right. You can't deny it. You did the work. You did the work. That shit's absurd. That shit's absurd.
Bro, this room stinks. I wonder why. Bro, it's so hot. I'm red.
What did I do to deserve this? Why can't I prove? Why can't I prove? Why can't I prove that I'm worth it? I know I'm not, no. I know I'm not, no. I know that I'm not perfect. And my heart was bruised. My heart was bruised. But you still just went on to hurt it, babe. My heart is
I will be Valorant all the time today.
Yeah?
You played Valorant all day?
Valorant day.
私も
テレポート可能だ
You play Valorant every day, so. My Nichi?
毎日
Yeah.
それクリス。
Yeah.
完璧だ
30秒敵残り1名
我な
You are Kanpeki.
ついてきなよ
Huh?
Yes.
What's Count Becky?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh. Yeah, Count Becky. You are Count Becky.
Maybe to your left already. Or you could be holding outside.
最後の一人だ。
終わりです
Oh no!
The
Vandal!
somewhere. One of them had a vandal. There's a vandal.
あと30秒。敵残り1名。
あー
クラッチ。
癒すだけではないわ
Sheesh.
あんた本気だグレネード
He missed me! Ooh.
Frozen and you only made it colder. But then you always wanna go back and
149, bro. Kill him.
残り1名。
What the fuck? That shit hit him right in the fucking face.
And then you go and take my heart and you mistreat it. And then you throw it out like you ain't never